Ethiopia, a land of ancient civilizations and rich traditions, has a legal history that spans centuries. From its indigenous customs to modern legal reforms, the story of Ethiopian law is one of resilience, diversity, and transformation. Before written laws, Ethiopia's early legal systems were largely customary, passed down orally from generation to generation. Different ethnic groups had their own legal traditions, like the Gada system of the Oromo, a democratic and age-based governance structure that regulated social and legal matters. Among other groups, systems like Afarsada were used to investigate crimes and resolve disputes collectively. One of the most significant legal documents in Ethiopia's history is the Fetha Negest, or the Law of the Kings. Dating back to the 13th century, it was heavily influenced by Orthodox Christianity and acted as a bridge between religious and secular law. For centuries, it governed civil and criminal matters throughout the Ethiopian Empire. In Ethiopia, law is also shaped by religious diversity. In regions like Harar, Islamic Sharia law has long governed personal and family matters for Muslim communities, coexisting with Ethiopia's Christian legal traditions. As Ethiopia entered the 20th century, a push to modernize its legal system began. Emperor Haile Selassie introduced sweeping reforms, aiming to align the nation's laws with Western legal traditions. Key among these reforms was the introduction of codified laws. The Civil Code of 1960, influenced by French legal scholar René David, addressed family law, property rights, and contracts. This was followed by the Penal Code of 1957 and the Commercial Code of 1960, which brought the legal framework into the modern era. Yet, even as these codes were adopted, customary laws continued to play a critical role, especially in rural areas where local traditions often held more sway than formal state laws. After the revolution in 1974, Ethiopia's legal system saw another shift. Under the Marxist-Leninist Derg regime, land reform laws were passed, abolishing private ownership and redistributing land to peasants. The state became the primary actor in legal and economic matters, further centralizing control. In 1991, the fall of the Derg paved the way for Ethiopia's current federal system. The 1995 constitution established a federal republic, giving regional states the authority to create their own laws in certain areas. This allowed Ethiopia's diverse ethnic groups to govern themselves according to their unique customs, while still adhering to a national legal framework. Legal education also evolved, with universities like Addis Ababa University producing the nation's lawyers and judges. Today, Ethiopia's legal system includes both federal and regional courts, with the federal Supreme Court standing as the highest authority. But challenges remain. Ethiopia continues to grapple with balancing customary laws with modern legal principles, particularly in ensuring the protection of women's and human rights. Access to justice, especially in remote areas, remains a concern, as does the independence of the judiciary. Ethiopia's legal journey reflects its rich cultural tapestry, from ancient traditions to modern reforms. It's a story of adaptation, resilience, and the ongoing pursuit of justice for all its people. As Ethiopia looks to the future, its legal system continues to evolve, rooted in the past, but striving to meet the needs of today's diverse society.